lot of attention in here.
Yep.
Because this is like 500 feet over the edge.
Let's stick close to the right.
Yes, sir.
Assume they had to blast this rock away to make this shelf.
You know, I don't know. I would assume, but by the same token, I see no drill holes to speak of.
Oh, yeah. This is one thing I don't have to contend with at home.
This is an easy one too. I don't mean to keep saying that, but this one's just kind of a A lot of them we do are a whole lot taller.
I just look down.
If it starts to bother you, tell me, and I'll help you, or I'll drive, or whatever.
I just got to keep my eyes on the road.
Yep, that's exactly. Don't get vertigo. Nate gets vertigo doing this.
At least he's on the right side of the Jeep today.
Yep, hopefully he's just closed his eyes. John and I will run this backwards at 25.
Yeah, but on tiny little wheelers, right?
No. I do it in a Jeep. I do it in a wheeler. I'd try to do it in a Humvee.
Okay.
But in all seriousness, it's okay if you get a little screwed up. Just stop. When we get in this great spot where we can stop, let's stop and hold up and see where,
Like right
where
here.
she is, because the problem is with her, she'll try to drive it. Yeah, start calling. She doesn't like me to drive. She doesn't like me to drive because then she has to take Dramamine. So today she didn't take Dramamine. So even if she wanted me to drive, I'm not sure she would be okay.
That's odd. Needing Dramamine is.
We
Oh
got one here
shit!
coming. Okay, he's gonna take a hole. Okay, we have a Jeep up here. Looks like he took a hole. Yep, he's backing down. Slow and easy.
Yep. Where did he go? Oh, there he is.
Let him know we got.
Yep, two more behind us. Yes, I know, hon.
Okay.
Two more behind us.
We got a yellow Jeep and a silver Jeep. Thank you.